morning, guys. We are on our way.
It's the day before the cruise.
Day before the cruise. We're driving down. Just left DCB. We're here on I-10 heading east. We're going to pick up our daughter and her girlfriend down at Orlando Airport, and then on over to the port. Well, we'll stay the night and then get on the ship tomorrow. Very excited.
So excited!
Not excited about driving. And I want to point out, notice who's driving. I will probably be doing very little driving here anymore, as stress factor 1 can't take it. So, all right, we'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Bye.
Bye!
We're driving down I-75. Boy, this is boring. But we're only about an hour away from the airport where we pick up our daughter. Hopefully we'll get there soon, and then we can get to the hotel, get this party started right. Woo! Coming around for round 2.
You don't have to film every time we go around.
Round 3, fight. Round 4.
4 or 5.
4 or 5.
I lost count. Dizzy.
Get his spot. I do not see them. There they are.
Okay, we are at our hotel. We're so excited. We're at the Residence Inn and Suites. We're in room 303. We have a 2-bedroom king suite, so let's check it out.
Come on in. Pretty big, pretty nice. Great for a one-night stay for a couple that are coming down, going to share the space.
Yep, you got this cool section in the middle. It's your living room. You've got a TV. You've got your table, your little kitchenette over here. Refrigerator. Stove. Even a dishwasher.
Pantry.
Stock up your pantry.
And it even came with some silverware. You got some cups and dishes and everything. So if you were here for a longer stay other than a one-night cruise, you can have stuff for a multiple day stay.
All right, let's check out. The bedrooms are essentially identical. Pretty nice. King size bed.
King size bed. Over here, you've got the first bathroom.
Bathroom. Very nice.
Closet.
Closets. Very, very nice. Got your bathrooms. Your shampoos, conditioners, and body wash. Sink area is outside the bathroom, so that's really nice. All right, I'm gonna walk over to the other side of the room. And your second bedroom, pretty much identical to the first one.
Bed gets the seal of approval.
Awesome.
Nice and soft.
All right, so you got the same bathrooms over here, your outside sink area, and your tub and shower. Very nice.
All right, so this was a Residence Inn 2-bedroom suite.
Yes, so excited. This is so nice.
If you look out the window, you can actually see the port and see a couple of the ships. So we're super close to the port.
I don't know if I can see it.
I was going to say the Independence is over there to the right.
Oh. Trying to zoom in, but my zoom is not working. Sorry, guys. But there you go. Our 2-bedroom king suite. We are so excited. The other half of our party did not want to be in the video, so they're hiding in all the little corners.
No, that's okay.
So,
No flash photography, please.
so we're gonna check out for now. I think we have to go shopping because somebody needs some shoes for the trip. So,
Not me. Yeah, it's me.
so
All right, so we'll see you later.
we'll check in later, guys. Bye. We made it to Port Canaveral.
Yeah, finally. Such a long drive, and it's not even that long, but it's just, I don't know.
Yep, we left early this morning, drove to the Orlando airport, picked up the girls, so all is good. Everybody's here. We are staying at the Residence. What is it? Residence Inn and Suites?
Yep, so we got a 2-bedroom suite. Pretty nice.
Awesome. This
Yeah.
is like my favorite hotel room ever. we
We have our own room, they have their own room, so
And
great.
then there's like living room and kitchen in the middle between us. We each have our own bathrooms. Awesome.
Make easier for getting 3 girls ready in the morning.
Absolutely. So we had dinner already. We just got back from Fish Lips. It was really, really good.
Yeah, it was really good. A little sad we missed some of the sailaways. We got there a little late. But
Yeah. We did, however, we heard one of the rocket launches.
yeah, we heard.
We didn't see it.
We didn't see it, but we heard it.
We heard it. It was rumbly. But yeah, the food and the drinks, service, really, really good. Portion size was
Oh, yeah.
really good.
Yes, my fish sandwich was a whole fish.
It was a whole fish.
Yeah, it was
He couldn't
huge.
eat the whole thing.
Yeah,
We got some appetizer. It was the
bang up.
bang
shrimp.
up shrimp. That was like my
Yeah,
favorite.
That was really good. Yes,
Really, really good.
I think that was everybody's favorite.
Yeah, we'll post some pictures of our food and drinks later. But so yep, we're gonna go to bed early tonight. Get up, have breakfast, head to the port. We
Yep.
got early boarding.
10:30.
10:30. We're
Yep.
so excited.
Get on there early. Get it started.
Yeah. However, they're calling for rain tomorrow, so I'm not sure how well the sail away party is gonna go.
But with Florida rain, usually it's not rain the whole straight through. It's off and on. So we'll see. We'll see.
We'll see. If we're gonna try to do like a live feed of the sail away party.
Yeah, kind of
Hopefully.
weather permitting.
Yeah, weather permitting. And so, and don't forget to follow along on all of our videos and live streams. We're going to be giving away free onboard credit,
That's right, with Caribbean Breeze Travel.
right? If you book a cruise through Caribbean Breeze Travel, you could win onboard credit. So keep watching
Yep.
for your chance to win. And we're probably, I don't know if we're going to pick a random one. Not sure how we're going to do it yet.
Yeah. Should have had this figured out, but you know.
Yeah. Logistics.
All right, so keep following. We are going to check back with you tomorrow. Tomorrow, embarkation day.
Yes. So good night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.